Now, I grew up with the ZX Spectrum, so these adverts are really nostalgic, and the games were so simple. If you enjoy, please like and share.
Welcome to Match Day, the exciting new soccer game from Ocean. Blistering 3D action for your Spectrum computer. It's a corner. Oh, there's a scramble and this could be trouble for the keeper. It's a goal. Develop your football skills against the computer or in a challenging knockout competition. And don't miss Ocean's other Christmas blockbusters. Chart-topping Daily Thompson's Decathlon and the spectacular mega venture Gift from the Gods. Ocean, top of the league for computer software.
Orpheus presents The Young Ones. At last, the young ones come to life on your computer screen. Watch Rick, Vivian, Mike and Neil as they walk, talk, smash, burn and battle through the hovel they call a home. You choose who you want to be and the computer controls the other three. Rick, Vivian, Mike and Neil behave just as you might expect them to in real life. So each game will vary tremendously, depending on who you want to be. The Young Ones, superbly animated, overwhelming graphics and sound.
You'll play the young ones until your brains burn out.
He's been hunted in the arcades, but he's escaped. Now Hunchback has jumped into home computers. Ocean's fabulous new Hunchback brings you the authentic arcade action. Jump over knights, swing over the fiery pit, outfox fireballs, dodge arrows, rescue Esmeralda, and it's the hairiest, scariest video game in 400 years. Hunchback from Ocean, just one of a top-selling range of game programs on cassette for most popular micros.
Once upon a time, there were 3 bears.
The 3 bears lived in the wood.
Learning Box is a new exciting series of computer programs.
Kevin!
To help your child start reading and counting. Get your child ready for school with Learning Box.
Now games. 6 sizzling games on one great cassette. Lords of Midnight. Brian Bloodaxe. Strangely. Pyjamarama. Arabian Nights. Falcon Patrol 2. If you play to win and you want to play, Now Games. For the Commodore 64 and Spectrum, only $8.95.
Right, pay attention, Bond. This is the Sinclair ZX Spectrum Plus 2. It's a fully operational computer with 128K memory, but it comes with 3 James Bond games and a light gun that fires armor-piercing shells. Now that's your assignment. No, don't sit in that chair! Sorry, Bond. Haven't perfected that yet. The Sinclair ZX Spectrum Plus 2.
The new Sinclair Plus 3 with built-in disk drive, £199. Sinclair Plus 2, £139. Both with free joystick and 6 free games.
Sinclair's new ZX Spectrum Action Pack has a powerful 128K home computer, a joystick, 6 very different games, and a deadly accurate light gun.
Keep on running.
That'll keep those droids on the run. The new Sinclair Action Pack puts the zap back into computers. We put the zap back into computers. Sinclair's Action Pack with light gun.
With the new Sinclair Spectrum Plus 3, I can be who I want to be. With the built-in disk drive, I can be the fastest rider off the grid. With the 128K memory, I can be the most powerful force in the universe. And you get 6 other free games and a free joystick.
You're turning into a real computer expert. And at £199, I've saved the earth.
The new Sinclair Spectrum Plus 3 with built-in disk drive. Who would you like to be?
So I hope you enjoyed those ads, and as always, if you want to see more, then please subscribe to this channel and check out the others that I've uploaded.